That RTD file is tied to Microsoft Excel's real-time data function, the mechanism behind live data feeds flowing into your spreadsheets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and troubleshoot this connection. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful RTD file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. An RTD file is associated with Microsoft Excel's real-time data functionality. It supports COM-based RTD servers that push live data feeds into Excel spreadsheets, commonly used for financial market data, stock tickers, and real-time monitoring dashboards within Excel workbooks. RTD files follow Microsoft's COM automation interface specifications for real-time data servers. They implement the IRtdServer interface, enabling data push to Excel cells at defined refresh intervals. The format requires proper COM registration on the host Windows system to function. Microsoft Corporation maintains the integrity of the RTD specification through Microsoft Excel. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the RTD file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Excel as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If the RTD file won't open, don't panic. This RTD file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, ensure the RTD server is registered. RTD functionality requires the associated COM server to be properly registered on your Windows system. Open an elevated command prompt and use regiusvr32 to register the RTD server DLL. Without proper registration, Excel will display errors when attempting to use RTD data feeds. Next, verify Excel RTD settings. In Excel, navigate to File Options. Advanced and scroll to the General section. Ensure the RTD throttle interval is set appropriately, typically to 0 for maximum refresh speed. Misconfigured RTD settings can prevent live data from updating correctly within your Excel spreadsheet. Finally, check COM add-in compatibility. If the RTD server is registered but Excel still cannot connect, check for COM add-in conflicts. Navigate to File, Options, Add-ins, select COM add-ins and disable non-essential add-ins. Restart Excel and test the RTD connection again to isolate the compatibility issue. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.